Hello guys, yo, welcome back everybody to another video. Today guys, we're going on another trip, and it's another day, another vacation, another trip, another life. So we're going to be doing a ton of things guys. What I'm going to be bringing is, I got Woofy. Let me just show you guys Woofy. There he is. Yep. We got water bottles, lemonade, and we also got some actually more advanced stuff like a water misting fan. We got a gimbal, we got wireless microphone, we got all the good stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get straight into the vlog. Let's get it.
We're at this lighthouse, and it's confirmed that it's haunted. If you guys hear or see anything in the background, let me know down in the comments down below. Alright, we got in here. Oh, we got this lighthouse. I think this is what it actually looks like in real life, but real much bigger. I'm gonna try to go in here or up, because we can, or you can. I'm just gonna go up as much as I can. Sorry if you guys can't see some things. Pause if you guys need to. At any point of this video or vlog. That doll looks kind of creepy, I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, so we just made it up on the second floor. Here you guys go. Again, let me know if you guys see or hear anything. That is creepy. So creepy. We got over here. Creepy doll. Over here. Also very creepy. Again, let me know if you guys see or hear anything. And if you guys do hear talking, it's just other people. By the way, it was hectic to get up here. This is a bathroom. Looking nice. That picture's creepy. Right there. So this is the stairs. The way down. It took a very long time to get up. And I am so hot and sweaty right now. We're gonna go down. And I'll maybe speed this up depending on how long this takes. But otherwise, here we go. I got this.
Alright guys, so we just made it to the hotel, and this is where I'll be sleeping. Got my stabilizer there. We actually, if you guys didn't see, I got actually a new stuffy. Oh, actually a raccoon. Nice. My charger's over there. We got my water misty fan in a water bottle. And then got over here. This is what it looks like. Let me take you to over here. This is the bathroom, and you'll see. Hello, how's it going? I look really nice. Yes, that's what my thing looks like. And then over here, this is what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoy. And we'll see what's next. This is gonna include tonight's footage. So tomorrow, expect a much more better content. I'm sorry that I didn't get much out of the way, but we're on our way to go to the ShipWreck right now tour, and I stumbled across this water fountain. I'm not gonna go over there but I thought this is cool. I love waterfalls, aka fountains, because I love water. And just look at that, guys. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, I could look at it all day. And the water sound is gonna be super satisfying, but I guess it is what it is. But yeah, just look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, that looks super tasty. This is where we're going. We're at the ShipWreck tour. You guys can see that is where we're going. Right there. We're going down. Not many people are gonna be here, so we'll probably go on a smaller ship or boat, whatever you want to call it. And then over here we have the gift shop and stuff. It's really cool. And then there it is. If you guys want to see that, you guys probably can't tell. But yeah, I'm very excited to bring you guys along, and we'll see how it goes. Appreciate you. All right, let's get on to the boat. Let's go. What am I actually gonna bring on the boat? Well, of course, I'm gonna bring my recording device. It's a given. Also, I am gonna bring my gimbal, which is actually gonna be pretty cool. And I'm gonna bring a water, of course. I know that I have not been posting that much on this channel and stuff, so this vlog shouldn't make up the majority of whenever the next one is, or whenever the next time I post on this channel. I'm gonna try to get active on all channels when I come back, actually fully 100%. Enjoy some beatboxing and singing while I still have the chance, and I hope you guys enjoy while we wait to get on the tour, because we're a bit early. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If I ain't got you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but I just want nothing at all. If I ain't got you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. If I ain't got you. I know you guys want the beatbox. Get down with the beat. Okay. 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 Shout out to the actual beatboxers, like real professional beatboxers, better than me. Shout out to Middle School, aka Supernova, and Footbox Street. They are the Belgium GBB champion, and this is my version of their style. Time is illusion. Time is a illusion. That's their one of their tracks. Go search up Middle School. Time is a illusion, and then go check out the rest of the channel on YouTube. Time is a illusion. Time is a illusion. Don't get another launch.
People in the pool that they actually smiling.
Now this first shipwreck we're going to take a look at lies up here in this shallow bay on Grand Island. We're going to go around the shallow point of land on our starboard side that's known as Bust. This is the wreck of the Bermuda. The Bermuda was loaded in Marquette in October of 1870 with 488 tons of high-grade iron ore that had been mined in the Jackson mine.
Now, as Captain John had mentioned earlier, this is what we call a typical Lake Superior shipwreck. It is a debris field scattered over a large area. Right now, we're looking at the vessel's port side section. Now, something important to know about the Hetler was that she was considered to be a transitional vessel because she was built during a transitional period. This means she had both sailing capabilities and a 485 horsepower steam engine. You might start to see some white spots on the wood of the wreck. That's the lead paint still stuck on the nail heads. As the year the Herman H. Hetler went down, she got a fresh paint job. Now, a lot of people mistakenly think that those white spots are coins, but coins are actually very bad for our shipwrecks. The wave action moves them against the wood and wears away at it. And after a while, we won't have any more shipwreck left for us to show you. So if you have any money that you really want to throw overboard, you can always just give it to me. We're going to start to see some broken up area in the wood of the wreck. It's really starting to come into view in our front viewing wells. That's from when the U.S. Coast Guard and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers had stopped the seams of the wreck with dynamite and then blown it up to get it out of sight, out of mind, and down below the water line. Now, this port side section that we're looking at is about 200 feet long. The ship in its entirety was about 210 feet long, so this is almost the entire port side of the vessel. Going through our front viewing wells right now is the Hetler's cargo hoist wheel that was used to bring cargo on and off of the ship. The Herman H. Hetler could hold 1,100 tons of cargo, along with 1 million board feet of lumber under surface. Now, when the Hetler went down, found she was carrying 1,100 tons of salt. Bulk table salt. We like to say that's why our whitefish from this area is so good. It's because it comes pre-salted. Ooh, tough crowd. You're going to start to see some openings in the wood of the wreck. Anything circular is a porthole, anything oval is a hawse eye, and anything that kind of has a rectangular shape to it, that's called a scupper. And making its way into our front viewing wells is the Hettler's anchor. Now that anchor is 8 feet tall, 5 feet wide, and weighs 2,500 pounds. Now, funny story about that anchor, it didn't always sit on this lake bed. Before the Alger Underwater Preserve, a man from Negaunee, Michigan picked it up off the lake bed, given it a fresh coat of blue paint, and put it in his yard for 30 years as a lawn ornament. Well, then he decided to retire to Florida, and of course, FedEx wasn't going to ship a 2,500-pound anchor. So him and Captain Pete from ShipWreck Tours put it back on the lake bed right where it was before he had taken it. And there's the Hettler's anchor going through our rear viewing wells. Now we're going to head over and show you folks the bottom section of the Herman H. Hettler. Now as we're leaving this port side section, you're going to see an area where the wood of the wreck kind of turns down into the lake bed. That's called the turn of the binge. And here we are, just starting to catch sight of the vessel's bottom section in our rear viewing wells. You're going to see some large log beams that sit directly on top of this bottom section. That's the vessel's engine bed. That's where that 485 horsepower steam engine used to sit. It's no longer there because before the Alger Underwater Preserve, some divers that came by and had blown it apart for the very valuable 80-pound brass bearings that it held. You're going to see some bolts down there sticking out of the vessel's old engine bed. Those bolts are about 5 feet tall. To give you folks a bit of a perspective, I'm 5'2", you take 2 inches off of me, and you've got the height of that bolt. Now there's quite a bit of miscellaneous debris sitting on top of this bottom section. Some chains, some metal piping, even something that kind of looks like railway track. Well, it's because it is railway track. Since the Herman H. Hettler was 210 feet long, one of the largest wood vessels sailing on the Great Lakes at the time, she had an internal railway system that was used to help move cargo around the ship. That long flat board that runs down the center, that's called the keelson. Anything that runs parallel to the keelson are called the sister keelsons, and anything that runs perpendicular are called the ribs of the ship. There's a flat board directly underneath the keelson and underneath this bottom section as a whole. And this is called the keel. Now the keel is considered to be the backbone of every ship and is usually the first board laid while constructing a wooden vessel. Now we're going to head out and show you folks the rock reef that the Hettler hit. Now during this trip, you may have heard Captain John and I mention the Alger Underwater Preserve. Well, that's the area that we're in right now. It's a shipwreck preserve. It goes around Grand Island and out the pictured rocks about a mile into the water. And in this small area alone, we have 73 known shipwrecks. That's what gives this area the nickname the Dangerous Coast. If you folks are interested in learning more about these 2 shipwrecks that we saw today, or the other 73 known shipwrecks in the Alger Underwater Preserve area, we have a book for sale in our gift shop called The Dangerous Coast. It's written by a local author. It sells for about $12, and it gives you more information about all of the wrecks in the area, along with some extra info about lighthouses on Grand Island and some notable historical figures from the area. Now this rock reef that we're going over is actually building until it's only going to be about 8 feet below our viewing well's glass, before very abruptly dropping down to about 30 to 35 feet of water. A reef like this could be dangerous, even deadly for sailors traveling through the area. And here we are making our way off of this rock reef now. And going through our rear viewing well is a white line and a white oval. That's the rim of the captain's bathtub and his toilet. It's coming right down the center of our viewing wells right now, folks. Now the captain, the Hettler's name was Captain John M. Johnson. So folks, you're looking at Captain John Johnson's
How did I go fast?
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we made it at the ultimate spot.
I'ma put you down like last one time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're all very pooped out and very all tired. I'm not going to make this too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. I had fun. And I'll do some more voiceovers and more saying on my experience when editing the vlog. See you guys.